Welcome back. In this short video, we'll walk through where redactions can be applied in Reveal. The redaction feature is located in the document review window and can be applied in both the image and PDF view. We suggest that your team use PDF view when applying redactions to client documents, as it's more robust and configurable. Please take note that if review teams are using different views to apply redactions, it could cause issues with document print jobs and productions down the road. To begin redactions, you'll want to click the mask icon located in the document review toolbar. If this icon is not activated, you'll need to reach out to your Discovery Experts consultant to check that a redaction profile and appropriate role permissions are assigned. Once the icon is selected, you can begin formatting and applying redactions to sensitive information within your documents. The system provides a user-friendly interface if you ever need to edit the label, adjust placement, or remove a redaction. That concludes our brief overview of how redactions are applied and formatted in Reveal. Keep a lookout for future videos that dive deeper into this topic. Until next time, thank you for trusting us as your partner in eDiscovery.